Hey, I'm Ashley from theruralcompanion.com. Today we are bringing you along with us as we go do a bunch of fun things. First up, we're going to take our puppy Nala to the vet. We're going to leave her there so that she can have a little procedure. And then we are meeting friends and heading to an elderberry farm that's about an hour and a half east of us. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's get in the car. Get in the car, Nellie.
Yeah, she's like, no.
Yep, she's never done this before. Come on, let's get in. Here, get in. In the car.
Come up.
There we go. All right, see you later, Nala. Oh, it's going pretty good. We just got here and dropped Nala off, and
Here's the quiet game. And you can or laugh during you guys are my old.
Did you see it?
I think we're waiting for a few.
Okay. Come on in.
Oh, that's great. Oh my goodness.
I'll let him wander around a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
We just had a group of college horticulture students.
Oh, how cool.
Hey, I never in my wildest dreams, when we did this,
Yeah,
everything that we were doing
yeah.
was so outside the box. You know, I was kind of shouting to the mountaintops of, help.
Yeah.
What can we do? What should we do? But the best thing we ever did was join something called Oklahoma Agritourism. Best thing we ever did. We have had tour groups. I think we've had individual people from further away, but we had 2 van loads of college students from the University of Connecticut here.
What? Oh, how cool.
Now, and
That's amazing.
One of them, after he was wanting to make a career of this, he works for Epcot and does
Really?
this for Epcot.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness.
he's a Yukon student.
Wow.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Okay, guys. Okay, these are called Adams.
Okay.
These produce a big berry. Well, there's no such thing as a big elderberry, but bigger than most of the rest of them.
How big are typical elderberries before they're dried?
3/16 in diameter, about that big.
Okay.
Not very big, just a little over the size of a BB actually.
Oh, wow.
Just try to
Max is gonna ride the pig. Okay, Max, you go in there. I'll come around back. Max, stay in there. I gotta get the pig ready. What in the world? to kill himself. He's like, his nose is in the dirt.
Oh, he's putting his head in the sand. Oh, he's laying down.
He can't get out. He's fat. Hey, come on, fat boy. Come on.
This is Pig.
He's sleeping. Otto, tell me your experience on the pig riding.
It's fun until he burps on you.
Okay, so we just finished up our tour of 360 Farms. It's an elderberry farm, and we got some great information from the farmer and his wife. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we are going to load up in the car and drive home. Thanks for watching.